This is a 3-piece fillet knife set from Mossy Oak, and we're gonna have a quick look at it. This set is the army green color. You have a 4-inch knife, and then you have your 5 and 7-inch fillet knives. The 5-inch knife comes with a serrated side and a cutting notch slash bottle opener, probably. The no slip grip grooves on the handle feel good, and the knives come pretty sharp straight out of the box. Plastic sheaths that are easily released with your thumb. It's a nice little 3-piece set from the Mossy Oak store. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have yourself a great day.